Hi, welcome to Codewars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today kata titled string repeat. Write a function called repeat_str, which repeats the given string exactly n times. Let's start with the naive solution. Define an initial value. There is empty string. And for let e started from 0 and up to e is lower than n, e++. And str add one more time. And then return a result string. Good, but can be better. For a string value, we have exactly what we need. We can repeat it n times as repeat n times. Let's test. Yes. And now we can use an arrow function to make this solution shorter. An arrow here, and now test it. Yes, that's better. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.